Okay, folks, day number 8 of the 10 guns in 10 days challenge. And today we have my carry gun. And this is the gun I carry every day. And as you can see, it's kind of dirty. It's got pocket lint. Um, I cleaned this a few days ago, but you know, when you carry it in your pocket, and I carry it in my little, this is just my little wallet type holster. I was going to buy a wallet holster for this thing, and I got to looking and I thought, man, those things are expensive. And uh, I didn't want to spend, $50 on a wallet holster for this. Uh, Although it probably deserves one, but this is actually a little concoction I made. I didn't have any thicker leather, so I actually took two pieces of thinner leather, and I actually cut out a piece of side of a milk jug and made it slightly smaller than the inner, and then I glued these two pieces and I made a laminate. So this is fairly stiff, and it has a layer of milk jug between the two pieces of layer to give it some stiffness. This would have been better with just one really thick, heavy piece of leather probably, but it's worked out pretty good. I did go around it with some rivets. I like to think I can do a little bit of leather work, but it's obvious I can't. But yeah, this is a this is something that I wanted because what I was doing before, I had to make sure that this gun was not visible at all. So I wanted something that would ride on the outside. Then of course this is the outside of my pant pocket, and the gun is inside. So when the gun's in there, and you can actually reach behind this and get it like that and pull it out, and this whole thing will stay in your pocket. But I just used a little Ruger holster that came with it, put a couple rivets through it, and mounted it to this, and this is what I use. Now this is crude and you know simple, but it works. So anyway, but to get back to the gun, this has been an awesome little gun. I've had almost no issues with it. You have your occasional, it is 22 long rifle, so you do have your occasional ammo related problem, but as far as the gun working, it's always worked. So thought we'd bring it out today. I got a couple magazines out here. This one's loaded up with a few. I'm kind of digging down the bottom of boxes and digging out little leftover bits of ammunition to do these. So anyway, I thought I'd set us up down there, and it's been raining. It's nasty. Uh, I'm gonna shoot us down there at the 25-yard target, which honestly I don't know that I can hit that down there at 25 yards. But you know what? I'm gonna give it a try. So I'm gonna give it a shot down there, and I'm gonna set you up on that tripod there underneath the edge of the canopy because it has been drizzling rain. And let you watch me take a few shots with this gun. But this is my like I said, this is my day 8 10 guns in 10 days challenge gun. Been an awesome little gun. Have to say this is probably one of my favorite carry guns I've ever had. So far it's been reliable, and it actually shoots fairly well. Now whether I can hit that steel at 25 yards, that'll be to be seen yet, but we're gonna give her a shot. Worst that I can do is miss and make myself look like a fool, but who cares? I don't make these videos to make myself look good. I make these videos try and help people who want to have a look at something and see somebody have it that that ain't gonna tell you no crap about it. I'm just gonna tell you how it works for me. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna set you up and we're gonna take a few shots. This is the Aguila. Well, guys, I had a little bit of trouble there with the Aguila. Of course, that's a target round. I'm gonna load us up some arms core. The CCI mini mags, they ran fine, as you see there. Took me a minute to get back on target, but after I figured out where I need to hold, I was hitting down there at 25 yards pretty good with this little gun. So that's actually pretty good with a 2.5 inch barrel or 2 inch, whatever this is on this gun. I think it's 2 inch. But I'm gonna load us up 10 magazine full of arms core here. Arms core. These are a hollow point. So, like I said, the Aguila first couple didn't want to go. So, I don't know if it was a problem with the gun. And then I'm gonna load us up 10 Winchester white box. I'm just gonna try some of them. These are also a hollow point. So we'll load us up 10 Winchester and 10. I carry this gun every day, but I only shoot CCI ammunition to it when I carry it, so I don't take a chance on any of the Aguila or the Winchester or anything like that. If you're going to carry this gun, buy good ammunition to it. As soon as I can find some, I want to buy some of that Federal Punch and try that in and see how it operates to it. To me, I see Tools and Target done a video on that, and it looked like it'd be a pretty effective little round to carry in a short barrel gun like this. So the problem is finding 22 of any good 22. You can buy the bulk pack stuff. So anyway, let's load up the. I got the Winchester in my hand. We'll just go ahead and do it. What went on there? It didn't reset the hammer. I didn't load it. That's why I hate this gimbal. When I shoot, it jumps. Let me set you up different. Alright, maybe that fixed our issue there. That gimbal does real good on moving shots, but when you set it stationary, and I guess what little bit this table shakes causes that gimbal to jump. So anyway, got us loaded up with the Winchester. Now we have a few rounds left. We have 4 rounds left. Let's just get rid of that. Guys, day 8 of the 10 guns and 10 day challenge of Ruger LCP2. Thanks for Tim Miller for making the 10 guns and 10 day challenge. Until the next video, we'll see you tomorrow.